Hi, Matt here from Crooks Cap Makers. Well, it's pretty early this morning, but I've got to get a good start on. I've just put the rebates in here for the panels. I need to take this edge and put a moulding on this edge all the way around. So I'll set my cutter to the correct depth, and then of course I'll set the plunge depth guide and then the locking point. I use the extractor because it just makes the job cleaner and easier. But what I'm going to demonstrate now is the cutting principle. When you're cutting with the router, you should cut in reverse. So here, plunge, cut, cut, cut. So now I need to make raised fielded panels. I bought the 18mm MDF. So I've got to cut down a width. So I've got the rest of the afternoon to make all my panels and assemble the doors. So I set my saw blade at 45mm and angle. That's the cut I made in the test piece. I'm going to be using 2 lots of glue, PVA for around the panel, PU glue for the bars and stretchers. Go around the joint, label them 1. So that's the first door sorted out. Well, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay safe in the workshop.